So I I want to share my mind, yeah, on some few issues about Ghana music industry or Ghana showbiz. Um, I think at times Shatta try to I don't know whether he wants to play with people's minds or I can't place hands on what exactly he tries to do most at times. I was on Facebook and then I saw something like Shatta Wale press conference. I'm like, Shatta press conference, like how? Like then I back and say, okay, let me just listen, let me just go and listen to whatever he wants to say about it because he has been outside for some time, so he came back. So I was like, oh, Shatta, no, but pay attention, like press conference, and then so I went to listen, and then he was talking about. I didn't listen all, but then he listened. I heard him saying, "Say," and then he went into a meeting, and then they were asking him about the kind of music genre Ghana does, and oh, like oh new like at that point, like I was like Shatta. Ghana music, Ghana music genre, Osi Onim, like he has no idea. See, this is supposed to be a disgraceful thing for him to do. Yes, or no? About back no, about press conference. Like me to me only say a disgraceful. Say, walk outside Ghana, and you bisa say, what kind of music genre does Ghana do? Now also unim. So when he came back, you come to press conference. Shatta Odina for Ghana has it. Bulldog or no. Chris Connie wɔ hɔnom. He knows a lot. Even ni papa wɔ no. Say he's also there. He can place call to him and ask him, say, oh, that this question they're asking me right now, and I don't know. And they will tell him, say, oh, Ghana for yeah, high life and hip life. Ghana music genre, high life and hip life. But you know why he couldn't answer? Because now, before now, Obefi Ghana, so now when he was in Ghana here, he was already fighting with everybody. On the regular story about hip life said then hip life any bibia then he downplayed it or say hip life any bibia and na high life na any yatena from centuries or see onim should I say onim say high life meanwhile no Shatta Wale when we need high life song of the year that when we need high life song of the year that Ghana Music Awards when we need high life song of the year. See this whole Ghana music thing here, like a dozen. It's like a dozen, baby, a dozen. Plenty, like the issues are plenty. I mean, where it all started from before Shatta cried, then Nadibe boom, Nansenya say, and then he went to interview and then a meeting and they asked him about genre of music Ghana does and he doesn't know and Ghana we don't have some blah blah like. Something else like it's big. It's a big issue. And yes, Obian Canada. These issues has been discussed over and over and over. Like we have discussed it. Like big Nipa Bibri are discussing issues way both on radio and TV over the years. High life, hip life, high life, hip life. We have discussed it. May have been involved in discussing high life and hip life so many times. So a issue it's there. But what do we see now? Our young guys just do music and they copy something from somewhere. Our young guys will do music and copy something from somewhere because someone is calling it a name somewhere and they'll pick that one. Omo mfa ni Ghana fo aya te ho na omo ye wo omo beto no omo mfa. High life was there and the hip life came. Two genres of music it's noted for Ghana. High life, hip life. Asa, that's it. Now so there be This our young artists in Ghana, no, they don't even want to associate themselves with it. Ubi so be also Afrobeat music, Afrobeat, or Afrobeat. Because Afrobeat, you know, and you'll be in a year or Nigeria, and you'll be in a dini buy from somewhere. So it's easy for Ghanaian you to pick on that one. Our artists, the Kwame Eugenes, the Kiddies, even Stonebwoy, all those guys. It's easy for them to say, oh, I do Afrobeat music, or that's the new trend now. That's what is moving the world now. Forget and say, yes, because one year old, no, one branded on with your own, no. How do you expect it to move? Kojentri, Daddy Lumba, Amachi Dede, Pa Thomas, then the list goes on and on and on. Dasibre Jamina, KK Fosu, them came to help hold it. Names no doso. They were doing this, yedeba, and a better choir. Singing no better choir. The singing came down. And then the Nigerians entered with the Wizkid and Davido singing. A high life no more ye. Davido money Wizkid. A high life no more yo. Okwa flavor on the catch us say they do high life in Nigeria. A high life no more ye. Be on the fire no more the choir no. On more tries on the brand high life na any ye and on me an Afro pop music. Afro song. Whatever. The name is even confusing me, like Afro something. And to know beside Stonebwoy, I must say, we are doing Afro wine sound. But those guys now, almost started with the Afro sound. No, the Wizkid, the Davidos, the Technos, the wine, more say, the reaction is holding on to no. They learned it from Ghana. Niana. Keke Fosumo ne Ofoya Ponsamo ye na enwa na Davido mu so mu no mo ye no. When they realize that if you Google High Life Ghana, it will tell you everything about High Life. It will tell you you won't see Nigeria, you won't see any African country, you will see Ghana and how it started. Google na share some Google that. Google na share say High Life no and if and free. Music is dynamic, so the sounds may change over, like as time goes on, the sounds will change. If you now compare a Jakoni, Momone, or the Tulumba Hua, the sounds are different. But a High Life, it's High Life. It evolves. It goes through, if I say, stages. And that is music. It's dynamic. It's, as the years goes by, the things will be changing, but then it doesn't go away from it. It's still High Life. But no, this generation, this youth, and you to far about Ghana and saying they don't want to associate themselves with the brand High Life. Debbie, okay, also Afro BB, okay, also Afro BB, and let's shut up. What trans say me cool meeting. They beside me say me then. What kind of music does Ghana do? Jenna, also and you came and then you came to do a press conference. What showcasing your ignorance, and then you get people who support Shatta say he's making sense. He wasn't making any sense. Shatta did not make sense in that press conference. He didn't. He did not make any sense in the press conference. He didn't. And I just said, "Oh, I won't follow Ghana music." Oh, you'll be out follow Ghana music. And you realize that Shatta did not do anything sensible in that press conference. One country, he didn't say anything sensible. Guy, we are friend. I interview, or the saying. That friends, with all due respect, guy now, or politics, say Shatta Kanya Sasem. Shatta and Kanya saying, "Yao." I just said, "Wow, person, what them Shatta said." Shatta didn't say anything sensible with all the things he said, because all the things he said, it has already been there. Yeah, can one say how to even solve it? I have problem. So Shatta should have probably come with solutions and not to come and repeat what we have been talking about over the years. Shatta press conference, and what's like a solution. Oh, me call and catch them say High Life. And I'm say High Life na it's not known. Ain't we should brand it. To me, my I'm coming to talk about High Life and how we can all hold it and push it up. But me catch and say you say what kind of music genre that's gonna do now. Oh, now say new. You say you don't know, and you came back and you did a press conference telling us I go beside question and you couldn't answer the question. So we should clap for you. We should applaud you for telling us that you couldn't answer that simple question. You say, what kind of music does Ghana? Also, who knew? It's a shame. It's a shame that you get people who support Shatta Wale and be saying, oh, Shatta, yeah, he speaks his mind, he says the truth, or kind of hard way. Which hard way? Which truth? Which hard way? Which truth? Which hard guy? And then may I expect to say some big guys in the media circles. I heard Arnold that kind of channel. Yes. But then I was going through the same Facebook and I saw an interview with Abeku Santana and Kwamna. And Abeku was asking Kwamna said, oh, Shatta say, Ghana any music journal. So what do you think? Do we have one? This question should not even come from Abeku. Abeku come and tell me, say, he was asking for the people. Which people? Your listeners, right? And I blame people like Abeku Santana for this. I blame them. You see, we have people in Kofuahem, they know the history of Ghana music. They know it in total. They know it. But they allow themselves for this youth on social media. And then and say on social media to take the piece for them. And what the case will trend on social media. That's what you're paying for that's what they hold on to. Because some kids are pushing some agenda on social media. So you see, I'm paying you for then they'll be following that trend. Forget and say the main way that I was say you protect. Our genre of music for Ghanaians is high life and hip life. Nothing can be done about it again. And nothing can be created like you can't add anything to that. You can't. I remember somewhere 2015, 2016, there about we were interviewing D-Crime on YFM, and D-Crime was talking about him trying to push a new genre of music called trip hop music. Trip hop. And that's the problem for Ghanaians. And that's the problem Shatta Wale is having. Shatta Bear accept to say we have high life and hip life, so that's the brand we have as Ghanaians, or person no originator no. Shatta wants to be the originator of everything in Ghana now. Shatta wants to be like, me and I'm here, say, me and I'm here. So if somebody is pushing something, na bad, Shatta will not support it. Shatta also, because anyone no can and a man for a bad, just so it also move. Shatta will not hold something that is not him. And you know, it's what Shatta is expecting is this. Like, oh yeah, this press conference, yeah. Shatta, yeah. Okay, so now, let's find a new music genre. No man can say, okay, be a high life. Okay, then yes, let me spearhead it. So now be a high life will become a big brand. Now, so in history, you know what? Shatta what? Brought high life? Or Shatta what? Rebrand high life? Shatta, please. Fear. I expect the big guys in the industry, Abeku Santana, Bulari, Andy Dusty, Dino. They know themselves. Those gatekeepers in Ghana music, those gatekeepers, I'm from gatekeepers. You know yourselves. You should push Shatta right. Mufani sheni lemu. Say anything that Shatta on board show more. Man, tell me baby, Shatta can even do his own shows now. Shatta can do it himself. Say, oh, Shatta Sam, and then when you call him for show, he will charge you big money, or he will say he won't play. Forgetting it. Oh. Shatta is a big brand though. Yes, he's a big brand. Big brand. And it's yes, I know we are. More putting right so that then Nkolano will learn. The old Ghana trust us. Shatta say Ghana doesn't have music genre. And most also what we do so. We do so now most also say, Shatta say so Ghana, what should we do now? Should we try and find a new genre? Should we now go back to high life? Should we now do what? So Kiddy, Kwame Yuji, Kim Promise, name them. What do they think they are doing? What? Afro what? They should bow their heads, they should bow their heads down in shame. Say you are a Ghanaian. Whichever animal obey a high life. Also, that's how the rap can want a hip life. And that's how Reggie got the name. Oh, Papa Reggie, it won't change anything. If you Google hip life, Reggie didn't ever back. Into power, the upper cast people were rapping before Reggie. Fine. People were rapping before Reggie. Then nobody here. Ochame Kofi, Ochame Kwame, Sydney, all these guys, they were in Ghana. No more until UK, in London, Nasifo. and America, and then they were living in Ghana, or Chame Kofi, or Chame Kwame, Sydney, all those guys, as though they were living in Ghana. Or more happy life, Debbie. So, sir, Reggie the buy, Reggie buy, they can't say, oh, okay, listen, let's fuse this thing. Like, like we know ourselves to be doing high life, yes, but then this rap game, which like no one said me rap, you know, my fam and share you tune, high life, no. Okay, and then hip life, cause hip hop, and see hip life, no, high life, no, hip high life, and hip hop, infusing, hip life, and then the name came to stay, and then the guy started joining. Sydney came in, Esdo came in, Tita came in, Obrafo came in, Atiame they came in, Nananom, like all those people, they follow suit. Because someone say, Otale, I did already hear our friend hip life. You met me, because met me rapping. What's about me at home? Okay, and then hip life set off. And the hip life have come to stay. So the likes of Sako there, D Crime, Igbe Edem, Yapuno, Farkese, name them. Hip life guys. Take that for Bravo, name them. Hip life. Ubo bit no now to no to sana a high life without any rap. A high life now, you know. What the rap not to so away and hip life. As simple as ABC. It's a nice thing. Let's like I know they will say so. Now so we to make trans ya kasa okay. And you me buy it, okay. And you me buy it into me. I'll not even associate myself with that. My mean so many media and I'm so many originator. Now you then. No, na ye den. Obey your originator, na ye den. Enfa na wo dreko. Ade wo ho amanfo aso ma ye de ba. Ebedu so, wo so de unso. That person wo ye wo de. You are dividing Esana. There will not be unity. There will not be unity. And that's what Ghana we need. Ade na ye wo no. Yen so me un say na ye de. Yen ni ye. So this can happen. You want money, right? Yeah, so if you are doing hip life or high life, just do it well, sell it, and get your money. Play your shows and get your money. That's it. Whether now originating you, whether you are making your money out of what you came to meet, and you're also making money out of it. Asa, let's move on with it. Open say okay, Shatta now, Oba can say Saint. Shatta did not say anything new. He did not say anything new. Shatan can be new. Shatan can't say India. Say yeah, applauding on country. Nothing. And I'm expecting these big guys in the industry to stand up against it. Say Shata, ye didn't wa honum. The high life has always been there. Wow, now Shata, we need high life song of the year. That. Open dance are fine. But you live in Ghana, so ultimately, no. That's what you should brand yourself with. Go and check Kojo songs. Kojo, go and check his songs. We all know Kojo is a high life legend from Ghana. Kojo or a high life legend from Ghana. But ko checking in you. Now she say, what kind of song does Kojo plays? Most of his songs are reggae songs. Most of Kojo songs are reggae songs. Most of them. The Ghana. Into our dreaming, also a high life artist. Oda Pai, yeah. Can you be a person okay? He's a high life artist because he's from Ghana, and that's what made him who he is today. Because on to me, I say, or the no to Peter touch money, culture, doing serious radio. People know worldwide. He's from Ghana, so he took our brand, high life. Oh, young boy are over, young girl are over. Now, oh yeah, your man. Now also person an Afro sample, which you don't even know where it's even coming from. Because you hear people saying it on social media, on radio. Now, and then we start to transfer interview Abu Shini Bisa say, what general music Ghana ya? Who's the name? And you're expecting us to applaud yourself at the press conference, sharing. You should be ashamed. Shatta should be ashamed of himself. Shatta should be ashamed of himself. Shatta, he should be ashamed of himself. So what to me be an opaka say, Onim, Ghana, music Ghana, Onim. He should be ashamed of himself. I know Shatta now should be ashamed, and I know he knew Onim, Shatta nim Pabo Nim, Shatta Onim, Shatta knows, Shatta Onim, he knows, but he just doesn't want to acknowledge it. That's all. Onim, Shatta knew. So we do high life and hip life. He just does not want to acknowledge it. Asa. So don't go on radio and be asking different artists questions. Say, Shatta say we don't have music genre. Really? Is that what you should be saying? Instead of you to come and open your mic and educate Ghanaians on what Shatta says, Shatta no obwa onim nya, so no one should listen to him. No. Other times I will be other artists say, and Shatta see any music genre or Ghana has it then I was so disappointed when I had that question. I was so disappointed. Say, I was so disappointed. So it's a question. Nine. And can say a question the cry. That question should even come in that discussion with Komna. It should even come in. Because you know the Shatta no can. He just doesn't want to acknowledge the fact that we have high life and hip life on Pesa or Besa. Adia yen nanom edio moja apart to honum. And you see, we stand up and we blame the politicians all the time, and we all doing the same thing one way or the other. Ni adia da honum o bia pretty moja ni ya to honum na ya betu na ye be ni ya to aso no. Ni e pese ya abolish ne. We want to throw it away and then try to create something different. We want to throw it away and then try to create something different. Not yet done. Not yet done. And the funny thing is, we can't even do it. We can't even do it and even take it far. So I call you, or your hip life artist. Stonebwoy, or your high life artist. Shatta Wale, or your high life artist. Case closed. Case closed because to your Ghanaian. Asa. Oh, that's it. Or your high life artist, and also or your hip life artist from Ghana. Asa. Yeah, you can do whatever you want to do. You can play your hardcore dancehall thing. It doesn't change the fact that you're a Ghanaian. I don't think Jamaicans will do awards and they'll be like dancehall artist song of the year. They'll come and take Shatta Wale dancehall song and go and put inside their music awards award. No, they won't even do that. Anything about it, be it Muna say for about category, international art. International art. First hip hop song of the year, hip hop artist of the year. What's on my hip life and I say be Afro song of the year. There be on my album with people from Jamaica, from from Holland, London, Africa. The album no say international art of the year. International art of the year. Later, this award that Sarkodie won recently. Sarkodie won this international flow. BET new category on the international flow. And it's oti land oti Africa oti Asia oti anyfa na o rapping kwandia o follow on the international flow. International flow near the amount. We should be proud of our own. Before they can accept, we should be proud of our own. We should be proud of it. Now if you're not proud of your own, how do you expect somebody to recognize it? I don't know you're not proud of it. And also be so man or also saying it's not possible. So we Shatta, one hour catching say any genre of music. And come to me Brandon high life now, like say yes, high life like you can do other songs so you see people don't get it twisted. You can do other songs so, but it does not change the fact say you are from a country where there's hip life and high life. Period. Anything of this Shatta or to me winning high life song of the year. You see, and I make I say this whole issue, it's big. Like it's not just small as it is. It's big. If you baby never like if you baby never na Shatta didn't know other film now. Say a big issue. We have discussed it. People have discussed it before even my time, and then discussing issues back and forth. So it has always been there. But Ghana, we just know how to talk. Ghana is a talking country. And now say we do be atem so be anti. Internet say enam kana ba no. Omo ate media be mu no. Into o media atem. Say be o menye attention. And they will insult you and get attention. Because Ghana, we are known for talking, and everybody knows it. People in power, people in positions knows that Ghana is a talking country. We just talk, we don't do action. So I know that. So we know they don't. We just talk, and it's true. We have been talking over the years. This high life, hip life thing. We'll be talking. Yes. But what has been done? We get our kids doing a friend is saying Afro wine. That's what they see. But a typical high life. A high life from now on. A high life. But you see these young ones calling it different names because they don't want to associate with their own. But it's even sad. It's even sad. Say you come from a country that has a music genre and you don't want to associate yourself with it. It's even sad. Who kidi transe? Ke promise transe? How many kidi transe? Miss V transe. When you say transe, na djun na ode djun stone boy transe. Na djun say me yeah nyom. And this song, a high life song. Oh. So why am I calling it Afro Dien? Why am I even calling it that? Is it because a friend is saying Kidi Mr. Kidi Whiskey Nick Davidomo air from Modiana Sana? Now is that why you have your own? Instead of you to be proud of it and hold it tight and move with it, you know. What's your other person? Branding no. Person brand and next that Eka change so you know of course this orchestra. This orchestra because some we high life, typical high life they don't want to be accepted. Kumi Guitar push this agenda Bisake Day or more pushy then and everyone the dusty no born yum or Boki you know yeah this is Afro one song from Kidi and not even ashamed. And we have all accepted it. Why when someone says he doesn't know the kind of music can I do? Shut up, Kasa. Oh, this all can because already. So it's a big issue from places. People have just sidelined the whole genre. Almost shut up, Kasa was fighting with Reggie. And I want to save life. And on yes, just because Shatta wants to be the originator of something. And yeah, Shatta is just and that I don't know even how to call it. It's in a lot of Ghanaians. And then I'm buy it, so I'm not even holding it. I won't even call it like that. Me friend example, like I won't even say it. I even know it because I am not buy it. So spirit, you know. I don't know Shatta like that's what he's doing. You know? That's what he's demonstrating. That spirit that goes like, okay, it's not from me, so I'm not holding it. It's not from me, so I'm not supporting. That's bad spirit, you know. I don't know what's the wali muno. So bad spirit, you know. I don't know what's the wali muno. See, all these A-list artists should ignore him. They should ignore him. Shatta has some point to. At times talking and say, beside the press conference, I go good no. He has disgraced himself and the whole of Ghana. Shatta has disgraced himself and the whole of Ghana. And about transit and I was a press conference on top of it. And yenya manfua on more body and so say, yay, Shatta, yay, what can you say? We and all kind. We against them. Shatta just insulted Ghanaians, insulted his own self, and on top of it, a press conference. See, this issue, also, yeah, I can call this one part 1, and I'll also draw part 2 because the issues of Ghana music at times, I wonder, say, I think like you to me what is right for once as Ghanaians showbiz people. You to me what is right for once. Why? I think we can't do what is right for once. And is your home. Is well like there. We can't do what is right for once. I'll call this one part 1. I'll surely release part 2. I will release part 2. I will, because the industry issues there are plenty industry issues, and people are just talking about it left, right, like I want for I say and then at times I watch this these pundits we have in Ghana, pundits on radio, pundits on TV, and I listen to them online, and I feel like what is he saying? What is he talking about? Why? Onim Sadewe Onim Adewe, and like Onimana, and they are pundits on radio and TV. And a lot of these youths are listening to them each and every day. with wrong information. Events and shut our fair press conference. I'm off with with wrong information. Ghana doesn't have music genre. He doesn't know. Now I can't trust shut down for a big brand. And to know be awesome. I'll bring part 2. Let me end it here. Thank you very much for watching.